I'm going to teach you how to use the Bien-Air Lubricare system. Now first, what you want to do is take a soft toothbrush and make sure you get all the debris off of your hand pieces. Okay, once clean, make sure your unit on. Okay, on the right hand side is the power switch. Go ahead and pop it on. Notice the green light means we have full power. Let's go ahead and open it. And what you want to do is go ahead and click these in. All you have to do is put it in the slot, push right up until it clicks. Now make sure you have the head nozzle pointing towards the unit. Okay, there's 4 different slots, 4 different buttons. Go ahead and match them up. Close the unit, press start. Now each cycle will take about 20 seconds. Okay, once you're finished, go ahead and open it up. Now it's very important that you start with the clean first and then lubricate second. Go ahead, put down on the quick release button, push straight down. Okay, go ahead and put it in the lubricate spot. Again, head pointing towards the unit. Okay, now again, gently remove your hand pieces. Give it a good wipe down. You will have excess lubricant and cleaner on your hand pieces. Let's be courteous to the next person using the unit. Wipe down the surface area. At that time, your hand pieces are clean and lubricated. A couple things before you get started. This unit is for preclinical use only, as it only cleans and lubricates, does not disinfect or sterilize.